Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. In this video, we will talk about how to fix the translations are currently disabled problem on Telegram. Firstly, open the settings app on your device, scroll down, and click on the apps option. Click on the Telegram. Now, click on the storage and cache, and click on the manage space. Tap on clear cache. After that, tap on the clear cache again and go back to the home page. Now, open the Telegram app on your device. At the top left corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Click on the settings option. Scroll down and click on the language. Now, tap on the toggle against show translate button. After that, tap on the do not translate option. This will ensure you whether translation feature is working or not. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.